How to link Facebook account with Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Now tap on Account Center. Then tap Profiles. As you can see, only my Instagram account is currently visible in the Account Center, confirming that my Facebook account has not been linked yet. To link your Facebook account, tap on the Add Accounts option, then select the account that you want to add. I will select Add Facebook Account option. Then, your Facebook account will automatically appear below your Instagram account. To link these accounts, tap the Continue button. Make sure to read the details provided here, then tap Allow and Finish Adding button. As you can see, both my Instagram and Facebook accounts are now visible in the Account Center, confirming that they have been linked. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to link your Facebook account with Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.